Current trends in psychology, let's break it down. Simply. Part 20. Hey students! Psychology is like a big, evolving puzzle. We're still figuring out lots of pieces, and new discoveries are made every day. Let's chat about some cool current trends in psychology that are shaping how we understand human behavior and the mind. Evolutionary psychology, survival of the smartest. Imagine, why do babies bond with their caregivers? Why do many men prefer younger partners? Evolutionary psychologists explore how our behaviors helped our ancestors survive and pass on their genes. Think of it like this. Just as birds have instincts to build nests, humans have evolved behaviors like language and attachment that boost survival and reproduction. Main idea. Evolutionary psychology studies how our behaviors evolved to help humans survive and thrive in their environments, based on Charles Darwin's natural selection theory. Biological, physiological psychology, brain and behavior. What's the difference between evolutionary and biological psychology? Biological psychology digs into how specific biological processes, like brain structures, neurotransmitters, and genetics, influence our behaviors and individual differences. Example. Researchers found that ear infections in early childhood might be linked to learning disabilities later, not because one causes the other, but maybe some shared factor connects them. Main idea. Biological psychology looks for links between specific biological factors, brain, genes, hormones, and individual behaviors or differences. Sociocultural approach, people in their worlds. How do your friends, family, and culture shape who you are and how you behave? The sociocultural approach emphasizes that social and cultural factors are super important, maybe as important as biological or evolutionary ones, in understanding human behavior. Example. Researchers study how Asian and Western cultures differ in philosophies and values, which might explain differences in achievements or behaviors. Main idea. The sociocultural approach focuses on how social and cultural influences impact behavior and mental processes, emphasizing the need to consider these factors when understanding people. Fun fact. Did you know that evolutionary psychology and biology have helped us understand why we have certain instincts, like parents caring for their young, and how our brains and genes influence behaviors and traits? Memory test. 1. What does evolutionary psychology primarily study? Answer. How human behaviors evolved for survival and reproduction. What does biological psychology focus on? Answer. Links between specific biological processes, brain, genes, hormones, and behaviors or individual differences. What approach emphasizes social and cultural influences on behavior? Answer. The sociocultural approach. Lecture recap. We've explored 3 key trends in psychology. Evolutionary psychology, how behaviors evolved for survival, biological psychology, biological factors and behavior links, and the sociocultural approach, social and cultural influences on behavior. Understanding these trends helps us see the complex puzzle of human behavior from multiple angles.